takes one to smell one. Takes one.
You're here din pala.
Attitude and values enhancement. Miranda. Thank you so much. Right? It takes one to smell one. For more, diba? This way of interpreting things, way of acting, behaving. Ready? Sige, patingin niya kung kaya yan. Down, say down. Up.
Maintindihan sa
a broader perspective.
Okay. From the topic that we will discuss today. Okay? Ano ibig sabihin ng PB20? 5 minutes before 10:20 or please take a date. Right. Okay? Let's all okay, number 1. I'm afraid that I have time to make one.
As you breathe.
Try as fast as you can.
Starts by breathing in through the nose.
Inhale.
2 more big deep breaths.
Painful. The question is, version mo ng story, ha? So it may be version to the thing. Experience na yan. Yan ang sagot. Ang dapat ba nila, ay, ano ba yan? Ba ganon? Okay, okay. Now, that no one is perfect. Truth of seeing people as perfect.
hardworking person.
Silence nurse. Papakantayin mo. Sulat niyo lang muna. Ano gusto niyo maalala sa inyo? Na-inspire na kayo. At least pwede niyong gawin. Marami pwedeng gawin. Fish. Okay guys, bigyan nyo ako na gagawa ko ng paraan. Talagang ugali ng nililisap ng tito. Goal never. Sa highest part of your knees. Ang cute din, Trey. So now, yes.
Hello.
Kasi kaya naman natin
Listen nga ba? Fractionalism is
Paano kung parang
Yung topic namin ay
pwedeng mag-loop back. choose thoughts. Realize nyo at nag-inspire sa inyo. Ayun, let's inspire, influence, and create positive impact so we all become extraordinary. Thank you.
Thank you.